After you have finished your return, you will want to do the print set for the client to take with them. You can see here we have different print sets for Waushara, Waupaca, and Portage County. The most common ones are the master. In other words, we'll take Waushara as an example. Waushara master would print the entire return, both federal, state, any homestead, and it will also give us 2 copies of the 8879. The other most obvious one would be the state-only return. We do not recommend that you hit the print return or the paper file or the paper file copy simply because it takes too many pieces of paper and the clients don't need it, we don't need it, and they aren't set up to have the 2 copies of the 8879. So please, if at all possible, try to remember to do either the Waupaca, Waushara, or Portage Master, or the state only, or if you absolutely have to do the paper file, in other words, they're going to be mailing them in, just print the paper file copy. Finishing the return. In your handout, you will find this sheet called Final Steps for Completing the Tax Return. Please read over it carefully. At the very end, you'll notice you'll want to log out of the return, and then you deliver the Form 13614C and the inserted Form 8879, which is signed, to the site coordinator. At all times, if you have any questions, please remember your site coordinator is always there to help, so please feel free to ask.